Hi, so I'm Cedric Bernard, the CEO of ProovStation. So we develop an a gantry who is going to automate and industrialize the global automotive inspection process. It's a big innovation because in this market people must do the inspection by it's paper based. It takes a lot of time, something like 30 minutes, and with our products we are going to do it in only 3 seconds. We have the chance to have an award this year, so it's a big announcement for us, and we're really proud of this. The Région helped us during these next 2 years because last year we launched our products and announced our startup, what we do, and today we just launched our commercialization of the station, and yesterday we have something like 40 orders to deploy clients in 13 countries in Europe, so it's a big announcement today for us, and the regions help us to do all of this.